Okay, so right now I'm gonna put together a tubular lock for you guys, and step by step. So right now the key here with the inside cylinder. You want to line up the hole here with the nub in the inside the key, so it shouldn't move. And I hold the key up with one hand, and then I start putting in the pins. The pin has one side is flat, the other side is rounded, and you want the rounded side to face up in this case. So and if when the right pin is used, the height should basically be flush with the cylinder. If it's too tall, then the pin is a larger number. If it's too small, then the pin is too smaller than you need. Okay, after that's done, it's all flush as you can see, and the flat side on the bottom here is important. You want to make sure it's rounded on the top, because it will, with this bottom cylinder, it's going to be rubbing against these round pins as well, so it's going to be smooth. It should feel smooth when I put it on. So over here you just want to put it, you want to be careful so these pins don't drop. So you kind of want to carefully put it sideways. And if this is correctly done, when you apply pressure, it should turn smoothly. And then, so if that works, then I'm going to grab with my right hand here and have the pins drop in between each other. So now I can take the key out without worrying about the pins dropping out. You want to hold this up. The next step is to take this, the housing, and you want to line up this hole where you're going to put the rivet in with the hole in the housing. Okay, and so you're going to have to apply a little pressure on the bottom to align the hole, and this is where you're going to put the rivet. And with the rivet, you want to put the thin, it kind of concaves in. You want to put that thin side up, or first, into the hole, like so. And now we're going to press it down into the lock, so it stays together in one piece. And you just need to just lightly tap it. You don't want to hit too hard until the pin drops and it's below the threading. Because you want to make sure it's below the threading, because when we screw in the nut, it won't get in the way. So first, this is a right turn lock. So we put in the governor, in this direction here. If it's a left turn, all you do is you flip it around. Okay, place it in. And then you put the nut on top. Okay. And just to check here, you insert the key. It might be misaligned a little bit. All you have to do is you insert the key a little bit and you twist it so that it lines up with the holes. And if it works, use the key, it should turn smoothly. And then the last step is you have the housing nut. It should screw on smoothly as well. And that's it.